Good evening, I'm John Weathers for Global Pulse News TV. Tonight, we're following a heartbreaking tragedy out of Hong Kong, a massive apartment blaze that has left the city in deep mourning and searching for answers. The fire erupted Wednesday afternoon at the Wang Fuk Court public housing complex in Hong Kong's Tai Po district. What began in one building quickly turned catastrophic, spreading across several 32-story towers in a matter of minutes. Authorities now confirm at least 128 people have died, and more than 150 remain missing, making it one of the deadliest residential fires in Hong Kong's modern history. Investigators say the towers were under renovation, wrapped in bamboo scaffolding, synthetic mesh, and foam-based insulation. Those materials appear to have acted like fuel, helping the flames climb rapidly up the building exteriors. Compounding the tragedy, residents reported that fire alarms did not activate, depriving families of precious seconds needed to escape. Today, Hong Kong observed a solemn 3-minute moment of silence. Flags flew at half-mast as residents gathered to mourn the victims, including elderly residents, families, and several foreign domestic workers from Indonesia and the Philippines. Outside the charred buildings, families continue searching hospitals, shelters, and identification centers, hoping for news of loved ones still unaccounted for. Local authorities have already arrested multiple contractors and renovation workers. They're investigating whether unsafe building materials, improper storage, or negligence played a role in the disaster. Meanwhile, Beijing has ordered nationwide inspections of high-rise buildings, especially those undergoing renovation, to prevent similar tragedies across China. This tragedy underscores a global concern: the increasing fire risks in dense urban housing, especially where aging buildings meet rushed or poorly regulated construction work. For millions living in high-rise apartments around the world, Hong Kong's disaster is a painful warning that fire safety must never become an afterthought. As Hong Kong mourns its dead, families and survivors are demanding transparency, accountability, and reforms to ensure a disaster like this never happens again. Our thoughts tonight are with every family affected. I'm John Weathers, and this is Global Pulse News TV. Stay safe and stay informed.